Hi, today we will make a simple plane from BALSA.
Welcome to my YouTube channel GreenEyedExplorer, where I explore further and beyond about tweaks, hacks, electronics and house repairs.
Before we start, let's see how the plane flies. At the end, we will reveal some tricks to make the plane more durable. Things you will need: cutting mat, BALSA square strip, BALSA sheet, wood glue, sharp knife or scalpel, ruler, toothpicks, some Lego blocks, modeling clay, pencil. Cutting plane parts. First we will cut two wings, each 18 by 3 centimeters. First measure 18 centimeters on top and then on the bottom. Mark the line in between. Secondly, mark 2 times 3 centimeters on both sides and gently cut out the wings. Secondly, we will cut the horizontal stabilizer, that is tail wing, only one. First we will mark 9 centimeters on the top and on the bottom and draw a line in between. Then mark 2 centimeters width on both sides and cut out the tail wing. Next we will cut out the plane body from BALSA square strip. Mark the 25 centimeter line all around the strip and gently cut it to prevent it from tearing. Now we will cut the vertical stabilizer, that is tail of the plane. Here are the measurements. It has a specific shape. Because this is our second plane, we already have the angled cutout. The animation shows how to cut the first and the second tail. Gluing the plane. Gluing wings. Now we will start gluing parts together. Take your plane body and a ruler. See the marks on the screen where and what to measure. Now mark the starting point of the wings from the plane nose. Mark it 11 centimeters. Next prepare your Lego blocks. Put 3 together for each wing. Now put wood glue to each wing and glue them behind the mark we have made on the body. When the glue dries, put some more glue around the joint, on the bottom and on the top. Gluing tail wing. Let's glue the tail wing. Measure and mark the middle of the tail wing, all the way around. Now put some glue on the line and join the tail and the body. Now we will glue the tail. Prepare 2 additional Lego blocks as seen on the screen. See how it's made up close. Tips. Tip 1. When choosing a knife, always use a sharp one to avoid tearing of the BALSA. Tip 2. Here you can see how to make the wing joints sturdier. Use some BALSA leftovers, cut them to wing width and glue them to the top. It's easier if you first apply the glue and push sticks into it. Here you can see details. Tip 3. Tail will break the first. We advise you to fasten it with a toothpick. Cut it to appropriate length and glue it to the back of the tail. Tip 4. As BALSA is very thin and lightweight, we advise you to always cut it toward the middle to prevent it from splitting. For the same reason, have your knife sharp and always cut at a low angle. Balancing the plane. Before the first flight, you will have to balance the plane. Use some modeling clay and put it on the nose of the plane. The amount is correct when the plane does not tilt. If you feel we have contributed to your knowledge, don't hesitate to buy us a juice. The link is below. You can even support us monthly via Patreon. And please do hit the like button, share the video with your friends, subscribe to our channel and comment below what adjustments you have made. See you next time!